welcome back. Today I got a quick one for you. This is the Ibis Hotel in Petaling Jaya, area outside of Kuala Lumpur, known by locals as PJ. As you can see, decent sized lobby at this location. This hotel is actually on the value side. I think you can get it for around $30 a night. Here, let's take a look at the room. As you can see, it's pretty basic, but it does have what you need. You also see I film as soon as I step in the door. My luggage is still by the front door. You have a nice little area there off to the side to sit. Here you have the coffee station as well as the safe. I like this. Accor, since they didn't have any room to they didn't have a suite or anything to upgrade here, they left me some snacks for free in the fridge. That was a nice touch. Obviously, you got your slippers. They put those pretty much everywhere. And you have a little bit of closet space. Not a lot in this hotel. You basically have closet space over the coffee and tea station there. Bathroom, a little bit on the smaller side. You can see there not a ton of space there up by the sink, but enough room to put a few items. And it does have the rain shower head inside of the shower. Like I said, nothing fancy, but they do have what you need. There's a hair dryer on the wall, and you have the typical Southeast Asian restroom there with the bum gun. I will say they did have a decent little fitness center considering this was a value location. There's plenty of space in here, and every time I went down here, I was the only person working out, so that was nice. You can see a few machines, a few ellipticals. Nothing crazy. Decent view out the window there. I like it when there's some open space in the gym. Here's the pool. Nice little setup for this location. You have a sink and a shower over there. You see you have the little smaller, shallow section for the kids. Nice sunny day here. You're located next to the highway. It's just a couple minutes down the road. You can go to the Sunway Mall. I had to get some new shoes down there, but they had what I needed, which was appreciated when I was on the road. Here we have breakfast. I would definitely give them credit for a value location. They had a pretty good breakfast here. There you have the baked beans, which are popular across the Southeast Asia, and a variety of hot foods. Not bad at all. Good way to start your day. Simple breakfast for a simple hotel. Good value here. And with that, I'll see you soon.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to click like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. Until next time, farewell.